Nung lumabag kang natapak niglak, di ako makapaniwala, laman ng mga song hits na yan hip-hop. Rap-rapan, palawakan, talamakan, salitang pinapaindak. Di naman pwede maging breakdancer na rapper, mag-alba, tiktak. Kasi di talaga kaya madayang tadhana, bintanang puro sana ang tanaw. Kaya pa kayang makilala, maalala, kahit ang salang ay hilaw. Hanggang na dinig ko na may mga bata na sa'kin di sumusubaybay, lumulubaybay na mga katagang nananalaytay. Nakita ko si Abaddon doon sa radyo pa noon, kailangan sa laban na wala pa nga ako cellphone. Parang si Tupac, si Tublax, siksikan halos matulak kapir. Tapos nag-usap at nagkahimayan ng utak kahit walang geng-geng. Di sanay sa bang-bang, umilip sa 187 maps sa galeng-geng. Kasi di ito tsamba, parang Kobe na Mamba. Ipagkalat mo na nagsama, siglak na'y nagsahara.
Kailan yung ibalik ko ng buo lahat ng ambag nyo? Kung mamarapatin lang sana ngayon, isalin nyo ako. Hayaan mong ibalik ko ng buo, tatawarin nyo ako. Kung napaagal lang at may nakakaalam, siyam tayo tiwalo.
It's a little dust to stop, what if that murder now? He's standing here, follow me grinding all the sin in the body underground. We're down the ride and everyone dies and I'm running with my feelings and all of my sluggish niggas. Talking up like them more victims, get some, that's a big little rich. That's sinister, killing y'all, but I'm in a bit about the shit, but fuck that nigga. And I'm up inside, must be blood up, I'm thumping. Remember me spray them, slay them, cage them, lay them all up off in a coffin, ready to fade them. Top up the shit with the truck and your eruption. Creep out your seat with your weak, come to step out, and none of my niggas was bluffing. On the love with the murder bang, the murder gang, the same with the bang, bang, bang. Cameras is above you, now bow, run them all off, say cat things. Put a murder bow, oh no, I wanna touch the stop, but they must have pointed at the purple. Stop them, drop them, no, till they go cold. Net bros, you know, nigga, we can't be bluffing with bang inside. When I put one to you, never more mother than blow out your
Kailan yung